Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good Father's Day. My dad's out taking a nap right now for our big family barbecue, so I thought I'd take this chance and review this thing and go over it. So, I know I'm late to this, so let's just jump right into this. As you can see here, this is the Axial scx24 1/24 scale electric four-wheel drive deadbolt. Trail proven off-road performance. As you can see here, it comes in the deadbolt green and then this red color. I almost wish I got the red color, but I'm a fan of the army green look. So turn it over to this side. And as you can see, I got this one. Here's the side of the box. Here's what all comes with it. Included, you get the Axial AX4 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel radio system. You get a very small servo. You get a A6 ESC receiver combo and a USB charger. It's got a Dynamite 88 turn brushed electric motor with a Dynamite 350 milliamp 2S LiPo, and comes with 4 AA batteries, and you need stuff to complete it, and it's like, psych, nope, everything's in the box. Here's the back of this box. Zoom out real quick. Front and rear differentials, worm gears. You guys want to pause this and read it, you can. It's got the same design as the 10th scale chassis, just a whole lot smaller. And these shocks, well, I guess you guys see those shocks. They're so small that I don't even think you could put oil in there because there's no room for them to do anything. So here's this works. Yep. Here's this drive shafts, axle housings, and drive shaft components. Onto this final side of the box, you can get your dimensions and all this jazz. So it's already been opened. I was looking at a couple things, and just so I can get this out easier, I apologize about this mess. Currently reorganizing everything, so let's fold these down. And this guy slides out. Yeah. Here's this little guy. Size comparison. Just go ahead and lift you right out this box. Comparison. Let's see. Here's a beadlock 1.9. Move that guy out of the way. 1.9 size tire that comes with the what's it called? The Gen 7s. 1.9 tire with one of these guys. So, yeah, I have this 8th scale 6x6, and this guy. He's almost the same. I won't say it, the same length as the wheel is, just barely. So scoot this guy off to the side, angle you guys down for a little bit. Grab my trusty knife here. Shout out to Walmart. One of the few things I've bought from there I've lasted this long, like 6 or 7 years. Let's get the books out of the way. Got your connectors guide. Set that to the side. Get your manual, user's manual. Recommend reading through this just in case you're new to this hobby and you're thinking of picking something up. Goes through all your instructions and safety precautions and user guides. Comes with these 4 Onyx AA alkaline batteries. Let's see, this looks like it's your charger. Just go ahead, open that guy up. So this is what this guy looks like. Read that. I believe charger batteries unintended. Remove power supply of the product, the LiPo battery, if it becomes hot or it puffs. So, what's left in this bag is you get a very small, I'm guessing 1.5 Allen key. Gets its own bag, so it must be somewhat special. And here's your good old USB cable for the charger. And here's your spare links and your spare drive shaft. So let's see here. Let's get the rest out of this box. Guessing this is going to be your controller. Oh, nothing in the box. It's just a cover for it. Okay, let's touch you guys up right real quick. Put that there. Okay. Open up that. And here's your controller. I don't know. I've never seen this controller before, but let's see here. Let's get ready for the satisfying. Ready for this? Here we go. Nice and crispy. Yeah, so I've got really big hands, and this controller feels good in the hands. Steering feels good. It's nice, tight, responsive. You got a nice little tab. Let's see if you can see it right there, and you can see right here my massive fingers. Lift that tab, raises the lid, and you get your controls. You got your bind button, on off switch here, your channel 1 trim, your driving, low, medium, high. I'm guessing that's your drag brake. And you get your channels, so probably like steering and throttle on that side. So I'm going to put some batteries on the charger for this little guy. And then in this video, after I go through what's on this in here, I can go through. Don't need that guy for right now. Make sure to stay tuned because I got some upgrades ready for this guy. So, as you can see, you take out these two very tiny body clips. And then here is what's on the inside of this guy. So you got this Velcro system right here. Take that off there. And it kind of, is this just, yeah, so that's got a little Velcro there. That just kind of buckles. Here's what your, sorry about that. This battery looks like. These little dudes. There we go. That's the focus we like. That's your little battery tray right here. It's your ESC and receiver right here. Here's your ports right in here. Yeah, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Yeah, there we go. You can see it's your You got 2 ports for LED and an auxiliary. So that red wire right here, those go into the lights for the bumper that are already installed. Shoot back, maybe you can see that. Anyway, yeah, you can see a faint. There we go, that's a little better. Anyway, then most of us know this one. It's cool because it kind of says STR for steering. Your motor is plugged in right there. And then here's your motor. I'm guessing this gets hot if it's got a sticker. So here's the underneath. Let's go ahead, close this up. Make sure get everything lined up. Put our very small body clips in. Like so. So look at this bottom here. We got a 4-link like normal in the rear with a long drive shaft up at the front. And then we got a kind of a 4-link. We got a 2-link on the bottom. And you can see a Y in the front. A link there and a link here. And it just comes down over or above the yoke of the drive shaft underneath the axle mounted servo. We got the good old trail grapplers, the Nittos with the method looking wheels. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this brief little boxing of this guy. I'm gonna get some batteries up here charging, and while we charge, stay tuned because I may or may not have some upgrades for this guy. So if you guys are curious on what upgrades I may or may not have for this guy, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe. Happy Father's Day. And you guys rock. Peace out.